Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Erika Delgado.
All right, South Florida, warm conditions. Temperatures are on the rise. 88 already in Fort Lauderdale, 87 in Miami. We're in the mid-80s for much of the Florida Keys, 84 in Marathon, 83 in Key Largo and in Key West. Humidity is higher today than yesterday. Feels like temperatures are already in the 90s. 90 in Marathon, 91 is what it feels like in Miami, and it feels like the upper 80s for the rest of us. Fort Lauderdale, Key Largo into Key West. So we're in shape. We're in store for a few steamy days here in South Florida. And as you can see, just a few clouds pushing across South Florida, but all fair weather clouds. No rain is produced from any of these clouds, and it looks like it will remain that way for a few reasons. For one, we have dry air that's in place, but we also have this large area of high pressure near the surface and in the mid levels of the atmosphere. Together, they're going to block storm systems from coming our way and provide for sinking air, which means temperatures will be on the rise. Today, we are a bit more humid than yesterday, plenty of sunshine to go around, and then it's going to make those temperatures feel a little warmer. High pressure sticks around to end the work week. We're still sunny, steamy, light winds not helping the cause, with really no major change on the Saturday. Except for the upcoming weekend, we're looking at more humidity, which means temperatures will be feeling quite hot. So if you have any outdoor plans this weekend, you're reminded to please keep that water handy. Try to take breaks from the sun when possible, because temperatures will be feeling like the low hundreds for many South Florida spots. Boating forecast for Miami-Dade and Broward, no advisory, so at least we get to enjoy some time on the water. You can refresh yourself that way. Seas less than 2 feet. Biscayne Bay a light chop. Heading into the Florida Keys, coastal waters becoming a light chop this afternoon, with seas beyond the reef at most building anywhere between 1 to 3 feet, but no advisories. We did have our high tides earlier this morning, and now low tides will be coming up next, beginning in Fort Lauderdale at 4:35. 4:44 p.m. is the low tide in Miami. Key West, your low tide will be at 6:43 p.m. So for today, temperatures will reach the upper 80s, but it'll feel like the mid to upper 90s for some spots. High humidity, lots of sunshine. We are dry, and even though we need the rain, at least it's a break from the rain, but now we shift our focus to the heat. Overnight, we really won't cool a whole lot, mid to upper 70s. Because of the humidity, it's going to feel warm and sticky as you head out the door early Friday morning. And as you can see, the 90s here to stick around. Toasty temperatures to end the week. Heading into the weekend, even though highs will remain the same in the low 90s, it'll feel like the hundreds just because there'll be more humidity in the air, with no major change next week, except it looks warmer, maybe a spotty shower by the middle of next week. That's your 7 on 10 forecast.